Hello, my name is Bob Mack, Principal Broker, owner of Advanced Solutions Property Management. I am here today to discuss when a do-it-yourself landlord should hire a professional property manager. The most common reasons we get called in to help are time value issues, owners moving to another state, owner's rental portfolio is growing, and tenant management issues. For time value issues, at some point in every do-it-yourself landlord's life, there comes a time when their time is better spent doing what they specialize in, or when they feel time spent doing what they love is more important than spending time doing hands-on property management. We enjoy working with these types of clients. They know the value of the work of a property manager does. Their biggest issue is generally letting go of the day-to-day tasks. Owners moving to another state. These cases are pretty straightforward. Self-managing a rental property can spiral out of control very quickly when trying to manage from another state. When face-to-face interactions are needed, it is vitally important to have a person on the ground who represents you. Also, keeping an eye on the property keeps small problems from turning into big problems. Hiring a professional property manager allows the owner to keep an eye on the financials for the rental from a distance. The owner's rental business is growing. Dealing with multiple properties leads to headaches with after-hours call-outs, tenant management, and tenant turnover issues. Day-to-day tasks quickly add up. If you prefer to spend your time growing your business with tasks such as searching for new properties, arranging financing for renovations, or changing your business structure, then a management company is critical in these situations. A very common reason we get called out is to deal with tenant management issues. These include payment issues where tenants are behind on rent and it is difficult to collect. Difficult tenants. Some tenants are challenging to work with and have unrealistic expectations. Tenants are causing damage to the property, or tenants have unauthorized persons or pets in the rental. In these cases, having a professional third party step in to deal with the situation makes things easier for both sides. Professional property managers have years of experience dealing with these types of situations. They have the experience and the know-how to effectively deal with these issues. As a management company, we get many calls from frustrated owners who are ready to step away from the rental business. We understand the aggravations of dealing with rental properties. At ASPM, we have proven systems and procedures to handle all aspects of managing your property. If you are thinking of calling in for professional help, we would be more than happy to discuss your situation.